So doing a little soldering here for the new CDI. Using the old one, I cut the cables and then we're gonna fit it to this one. So we got a female here. So I'm connecting the black and white to the black, and that equals black here. And then we have the red and black, and that is red. Also red here. And you got the black and yellow. It's yellow on this one. And you got the blue and yellow, and that is blue. So I'm gonna connect that here. The same here. Get the middle here, it doesn't have any configuration, so just gonna mash it up. Yeah, I believe that was all 5 cables, and this one I will leave. Some say you can connect this to ground, the ground cable, to unrestrict the CDI, but this is unrestricted CDI, so I guess I don't need it. So just gonna push this in.